It's the third IPO in less than a month in 2018. Amber Enterprises looks to raise 600 crore rupees from the primary market. Soumeet Sarkar is standing by to tell us all about this issue. Soumeet.
So Amber Enterprises is looking to raise as much as 600 crore rupees from the primary market at the price band of 855, 859. And at the upper end of the price band, that is 859, the market capitalization of the company would be close to 2,700 crore rupees. Now the IPO is a combination of fresh issue and offer for sale. In an offer for sale, Jasbir Singh and Daljit Singh, that are the promoters, will be selling shares worth 62.5 crore rupees each. The company is also raising around 475 crore rupees in the fresh issue, of which 400 crore rupees will be used by the company to repay its debt, while the remaining 75 crore rupees for general purpose. Now Amber Enterprise is a market leader in the room air conditioning segment. It has around 11 manufacturing facilities in 7 locations and has a volume market share of close to 55.4% as of FY17. Now it serves 8 of the top 10 room air conditioning brands in India. Its top clients include Hitachi, Daikin, Whirlpool, Panasonic, Volta. So it has all the major big brands in its pockets. And if you see, it derives nearly 75% of its revenue from top 5 customers and nearly 93% of its revenue from the top 10 customers. Now let's see what are the products that contribute to the revenue. If you see in this list, it's majorly the AC and AC components that contribute around 83% of the revenue, followed by refrigerator components, washing machine components, electric motors, and there are a few other products that contribute a minute part to the revenue.
And Soumeet, which companies do you really compare with, and how does this stack up against them?
So Amber Enterprises technically does not have any listed player that is there in the same line of business, but a recently listed Dixon Technologies follows the same business model but caters to a different line of products. Now Dixon Technologies sell washing machine, LED TVs, lighting products and mobile phones. So it's a different market, but it has the same business model. So if you see the growth ratios, Amber's revenue, net profit and EBITDA grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 17%, 9% and 24% over FY13 to FY17, which is at a slower rate when you compare with Dixon. Now if you see on the balance sheet side, Amber's book value per share is around 115 rupees, but it has a high debt to equity of 1.5 times. However, this would come down post listing because the company is using the 400 crore rupees to repay that, so it would come down to around 0.4 times post listing. Now if you see the return ratios, because of higher capital expenditure and elongated working capital days, Amber's return ratios were a bit muted. Return on equity was 8.3, return on capital employed was 14%, while return on asset was around 2.2%. On the valuation side, at the upper end of the price band, that is 859, Amber's share price is a bit more expensive when you see price to earnings. The price to earnings stands at around 97 times as compared to 83 times of Dixon, while market cap to sales is at par with that of Dixon. It is at 1.6 times, while Dixon is 1.7 times. Lastly, brokerages have given a subscribe rating on this IPO, given the growth prospects that the company has. Also, they're expecting a strong demand for the white good products and strong demand coming in from AC market in India.